Hey, welcome to this puzzle video. In this video we're going to be looking at the Optimal Brain Teaser Oleo 10. This was sent to me from Puzzle Master and designed by you, Aska. Seems really cool. Anyway, it's a level 8 puzzle, and the basic goal is, as it says right on here, fit all circles, all 6 circles and the 4 rectangle pieces into the square base. So you can kind of slide things around, adjust things, flip over these pieces, and make as many of these red circles fit in as possible. Just wanted to do a little bit of combining together some of the fun things I do on this channel. I wanted to show you basically the math behind this, and then we'll get into the solution here in a second. But for each piece, they can go... Sorry, my battery died. All right. Each piece then has 4 different ways that it can go inside of this if we keep it in this orientation. Which means that the first option here, having 4 pieces that can go in 4 ways, so our first piece has 16 different options of pieces that can go into that first slot. Then we've got our second space, which would have 3, because we would have this one presumably placed correctly, and then this one would then have 3 pieces in 4 different orientations, so that's 12. And then the second to last one would then have 2 pieces in 4 orientations, and the last one would have 1 piece in the different 4 ways that it can be placed. So if this is our way of solving this puzzle, then there are a total of, let's see, 16 times 12 times 8 times 4, 6,144 different options of how this puzzle can be solved, moving these pieces in different ways. Let's start looking at the different lines you have here and the way that I first started looking at this puzzle before I worked out the solution. So basically you can set the circles kind of in 3 different places. You can't set them on the edges, right? So if you're setting it in like this, there are basically 3 different places it can go. Along this, this joint here, along this joint, and along this joint. Meaning that you would either have to have 2, 2, 2, or 3, 1, 2, or some kind of combination of that to be able to get all 6 pieces in. And I tried several different combinations, kind of working at this and trying to figure it out, before I realized something else. In addition to having your pieces fitting like this, what I am going to tell you before our spoiler warning is that the pieces can actually fit into this rectangular space in a different way. In a couple of different ways, actually. I'll show you one just so that you can kind of start to see how we can maybe get a solution. Now this way, we do have some space for a couple of these red circles, but not all of them will fit in. So that's just a quick little look there to help you think a little bit outside of the box before I show you the solution and give you a bit of a spoiler warning. So let's go ahead and do that. Spoiler warning time. Now what we're going to do is look at the actual solution for this. The actual solution does put these 2 little pieces with 1 circle on them against the edges. That is absolutely true. They're going to go on the edges here and here, actually. And now we take these 2 pieces and we're going to line up the circles with those 2 pieces and make them fit into there. So let's see here. Seems like it might be there. Ba-boom. Just like that. Now we'll be able to get 1 piece here, 1 piece here, 1 piece here, 1 piece here, and then the 2 in the center. That's our final solution for this Oleo puzzle. All right, it's a really cool puzzle. It makes you think outside the box. You definitely need to think a little bit strategically, get that puzzle brain working. And this is a great Christmas gift to get your to someone who really enjoys puzzles and enjoys those brain teasers, those little IQ puzzles. Anyway, I hope that video was fun and helpful for you. Have a wonderful day, and this is the last video I'm posting before Christmas, so have a Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye-bye.